In the previous class, we understand regarding human resource information system. So, if you take human resource information system, I already explained you what is the human resource information system with the definition. So, but so many people are going to ask that, so what is regarding human resource information system? Can you tell me any example for that information system? Okay, so I am going to take one particular example for the human resource information system. That is, if you take any industry or any organized or any institute or any management, so they are having human resource managers, HR managers or HRs will be there. Okay, so in the HR management, so this information system is going to be managed and manipulated by those persons, nothing but the HRs. For example, every company is having certain HR. He is going to be recruiting the employees, managing the details of the employees, and all the things is going to be collected by this particular person. Okay, there will be so many number of employees is going to be work in a particular company. There are so many employees are going to be work in a particular company. So the meanwhile, so there will be an information system. So there will be a particular for example, I am going to give, for example, a new employee is going to be joined into a company. So then his details is going to be stored in the human resource information system at first for storing his details into the company. That is going to be taken care by the responsibility of human resource manager. Okay, human resource or HR, we can call he or she is going to be called HR. So let us see. So whenever he go and join that particular company, his or her details, who is going to join that particular company, his details is going to be stored by this particular person. For example, so this is the software. Whenever he open the software, it is going to be asked that enter the name of the employee, okay, and name of the employee, date of birth of the employee, it is date. So if you click here, the date will be calendar will become, and gender of the employee, that means male or female, and his qualification will be in the combo box. Whenever he is selected, there is set of qualifications will come like this. Anything is going to be selected, and other things, what is his experience, how many projects he done, like this you can enter and click on submit for storing the details. So whenever you enter these all details and click on submit, so there will be at the back end, there will be a database will be there. So the database software, provides the collection of data relations. Those relations will store the data. So whenever he entered the name, date of birth, gender, qualification, experience and project, how many projects, number of projects, whenever you click on submit button, so then it is going to be stored in the database. So how to store the details? We are going to create a table in MS Access. I will show you how to create a table in MS Access generally. So this is the front end form. So there will be a table will be there. The table is consisting of name, date of birth, gender, qualification, experience, number of projects, like this. So every time he entered and submitting the details, each and every employee's details is going to be stored in the records. So this is the front end application he is seeing. So this application is developed by the developers by the IT companies develops by the this particular thing. So entire database is also going to be created by these IT companies. This entire manipulation, entire thing is going to be managed by the HR. So this particular, not only this, there is so many attributes will be there, so many kinds of tables will be there. All the details is going to be stored, retrieved, manipulated and managed by the HR. For example, if any employee is going to be left with the company, then the details is going to be deleted by using his employee ID, because whenever he entered into the company, one employee ID is going to be generated. That is also one of the part in the coding that is developed by the IT companies. Okay, whatever it may be, I am telling the example for the human resource information system. In human resource information system is a software that is going to be stored, retrieved, organized and manipulated by a particular person called HR. Not only HR, in HR management, a particular typical company consisting of 3 levels. We know that top level, middle level and bottom level. At the top level, we have management will be there and higher persons will be there. They will take which type of decisions? Strategic decisions they are going to take. And at the middle level people are going to be take the which type of decisions he is going to be take? The middle level people is going to be take tactical decisions. Tactical decisions is going to be taken by the middle level people, and the low level people are nothing but the employees. In the organization there will be a 3 levels. 3 levels will be there. In the 3 levels there are managers, main manager and having a project leaders and an employees. These employees are going to be managers. These employees are going to be take which type of decisions? Which type of decisions? At top level they are going to take strategical decisions, and middle level they are going to take tactical decisions, and at employees all are taking the operational decisions. Okay, so this employee details or anything, there are different parts of the departments will be there. All the parts we already learned in the previous concept. The previous lesson is ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning Software. Under that particular software we understand combining of all the softwares into a single unit. Here we are going to understand regarding a particular information system regarding a particular subject. Okay.